How to change region on PS5. So there are going to be two ways of doing this. The first one is going to be on the PlayStation Store. So when you're on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, you want to go to the right hand side here, click on PlayStation Store. Then you want to go to the top part with the D-pad up there, then scroll along to more, click on the three little dots where it says more, and then go down to storefront country. So within here you can change your country, then you can go ahead and pick one of those ones there. But I know a lot of you maybe want to have one outside of your area, because for me it's in the UK and they're only showing European ones there. So go to settings if you want to change that, then you want to scroll down on settings, click on users and accounts, then you want to go over to this section here where it says address. In the address section, you want to go ahead and sign in, and then there you can change your region to wherever you want to after you sign in. Then it will change. If it helped, leave a like, subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.